In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a background image in Mailchimp. We'll walk through the process from inside your Mailchimp account. So go ahead and log into your dashboard. Once you're in, look at the left-hand side of the screen and find the section labeled Campaigns. Click on that, and the page will load with a list of all your existing campaigns. From here, identify the email campaign where you want to add a background image. On the right side of that campaign, you'll see an Edit button. Click Edit, and Mailchimp will open a preview of your email. Give it a moment to load. When the preview is visible, move your attention to the bottom right corner of the screen. You'll see an option that says Edit Design. Click that, and this will open the main email editor where you can customize how your email looks. Inside the editor, look over to the far left sidebar. This is where you control the overall look and style of your email. Find and click on Styles. Within the Styles section, look for an option labeled Background Image. This is the setting that allows you to place an image behind your email content. Next, click the Browse button next to Background Image. A pop-up window will appear showing different sources you can use. You can choose from images you've already uploaded, stock photos, product images, Instagram, Giphy, or even Canva, depending on what's connected to your account. For this walkthrough, select an image from your uploads by clicking on it, then choose Insert. After you insert the image, wait a few seconds for Mailchimp to apply it as the background. You should see the change appear in the live preview of your email. Take a moment here to review how it looks. Make sure the text is still readable and that the image isn't too busy or distracting. If it doesn't look right, you can go back to Browse and choose a different image or adjust your design until you're happy with it. Once you're satisfied with your background image, move to the top right corner of the editor. Here, you have two important options. You can click Send Test to send a test email to yourself or your team, which is a great way to verify how the background appears in an actual inbox. Or if you're finished and want to come back later, click Save and Exit to save your changes and return to your campaign overview.